Okay, game yun. So, what's up, Team Bear? Bearyo again, back with another YouTube video, no? So, recently, medyo hindi tayo nakakapag-upload ng mga market reviews and market scans. Medyo nabisi lang tayo sa mga personal stuff and recently may mga medical emergencies din na ginawa. So, in this video, let's do a quick market scan, no? Focusing on our current pre-market state sa US market. So right now, pre-market, S&P 500 ETF or yung SPY natin is currently down, no, from the close at 499, right now at 497. So right now, pre-market, gapping down ng S&P 500 natin. So same with our Qs, gapping down pre-market from its close around 0.5%, no, or negative 2.14 points, no, from the close, no, from the previous close. So our S&P 500, our Qs is down. Same with our IWM, our small caps, down 1 point something points, 1.29 points, no, from the close, no, versus the close on previous day, no, Friday. So next is mid caps. Looking at our mid caps, also down. Halos pare-parehas lang sila ng galaw. Looks like parang ang market is nagde-de-risk or nag-risk off ng onte dahil dun sa upcoming NVDA earnings, no? So in line with that, looking at NVDA, one of our heavyweights in our Qs and our S&P 500. Gulat ako dun akala ko 500 yung gap down. At 716 yung pre-market, no, down negative 9.23 points versus the previous close nung Friday. So ayun, looks like nag-gap down yung market. Mukhang sumasabay din dahil dito sa sell-off sa SMCI. So nung Friday, nagkaroon ng big sell-off sa SMCI natin. So isa to sa mga market darlings right now. One of the market leaders in the mid-cap space, dating small cap na naging mid-cap na dahil dito sa tremendous gain this first quarter of 2024. So isa to sa mga top gainers this quarter. So right now looks like nag-create siya ng blow off top nung Friday. So expecting today, no, para may follow through selling na mangyayari. Pero pre-market slightly up around 8.68 points or 1.08% versus the previous close. So nag-gap, hindi naman nag-gap up but medyo umu-okay na siya pre-market. So nung first few hours ng pre-market, down siya, no? Down siya from this. Ito yung start ng pre-market, halos nag 8% down siya kanina. So ayun, let's see if may follow through momentum on the downside today itong SMCI. If it manages to close above 900, baka madaming short covering na mangyari in SMCI and we might experience another short covering or short squeeze papunta dito sa 1K ulit. Hindi natin alam but it's a probability. So that's SMCI. So drilling down into our market breadth, no. So usually pre-market tinitignan ko yung quantity of gainers versus the losers or advancers versus decliners. So pre-market, ang kino-consider ko lang yung mga above small caps or 300 million market cap and above. Hindi ko na kino-consider yung mga micro caps. So small caps and above or small caps plus. So pre-market 0 to 5% up, pre-market 304 names versus down pre-market around 668. So for every advancer there are around 2 decliners, no, pre-market. So most likely we might experience a weak market or further selling today, no. Dahil ayun nga, may mga upcoming risk events din tayo like yung FOMC minutes tomorrow, Wednesday, i-release yan. So scrutinize ng market if paano ba? Ano ba yung galaw ng Fed for this coming months? If magkakaroon ba ng further rate cuts or dalawang rate cuts na lang ba based on their assessment? So, isa yun sa mga crucial tomorrow. As well as itong NVIDIA earnings. So on Wednesday, Feb 21, NVIDIA will release its earnings. So alam naman natin na NVIDIA, isa to sa mga pinakabumuhat sa market this 2023 and 2024, first quarter of 2024. Since January hanggang February, halos up yan. Since start of January, halos 50%. So, lakas ng mga lakas ng semiconductors right now. So, in line with that, in our market groups, no, balikan lang natin from the previous market scan na live, yung ni-live stream ko nung Sunday. Top group pa din is etong semiconductors natin. Next is blockchain. And in terms of BTP, RS, and trend composite score yan. But in terms of weekly gain from the previous week, blockchain ang may pinakamalakas na momentum, no, for the past trading week. Next is China equities, no, na broad, yung PGJ natin. And another gainer natin for last week is etong regional banks. So kita din natin, no, yung financials medyo nag-improve last week, around 2.32% up last week. Same with materials and energy. So if ang bias mo is a follow through momentum, at the same time a rotation in at a follow through rotation in financials and healthcare, as well as etong materials and energy natin, you can look at this following names, no. So tingnan nyo lang yan, etong top components, screenshot nyo to, itong video na to, focus lang kayo dito. Yan, sa top components. You look for setups na may potential follow through. So, ayun. So far, ito lang yung nakikita natin pre-market, no? So, wala na tayong further risk events na nakikita aside from yung new home sales na data on Friday na it can affect the home builders, no? So, medyo exposed din ako in home builders, etong ITB. Meron akong Lennar. So, I'm expecting possible follow-through selling today in terms of home builders. Most likely dahil din dun sa building permits data last week. Medyo disappointing. At the same time, yung PPI data and CPI prints, no, na medyo lumabas na mainit or hot. So, ayun, pre-market, yun, basically we're expecting follow-through selling. So for today, if you're a long-only trader, what you can do is to stay on the sidelines, you wait for setups. Madami din namang mga nagpo-pullback, no, and nagki-create ng bases. For example, ito, one of the top gainers last week is ARM Holdings, another semiconductor name. So I think right now medyo magko-consolidate pa rin yan dahil sa NVIDIA factor, no. Since may stake si NVIDIA kay ARM, and yun, tingin ko baka mag-consolidate pa to. Pero looking at it, at the big picture, may potential tong stock na to, tong ARM. At the same time, eto, isa din sa mga nakikita ko, SoundHound AI, another name na related kay NVIDIA. Single chart nga natin yan. So, ayan, another name na tinitingnan ko under AI and NVIDIA, yung NVIDIA related na name. So, SoundHound. So, 3 days ago, nagkaroon ng press release yung NVIDIA na may stake daw yung NVIDIA dito sa SoundHound. So, most likely, may sympathy play or laggard play dito kay SoundHound AI. So, may risk event lang with SoundHound, no? On Feb 29, next week, it will release its earnings, no, after market close. So, expect market volatility or expect volatility in this name. So, other stocks in focus, no, in pre-market. Actually, ito yung mga tinitignan ko. INTR. Gusto ko itong pasukan. sooner pag nag-recover na yung market, no, pag umu-okay na yung market breadth and medyo stable na yung sentiment ng market. And if maganda yung reaction ng market sa NVDA earnings tomorrow. So INTR most likely will break this resistance trend line, no? Dati na trade ko na tong INTR, but ano lang siya, continuation play lang siya. So hindi pa naman siya nagbe-breakout nun sa IPO base na. Ito yung IPO base nitong INTR. So this is the IPO base or accumulation base. And nung nag-breakout yan sa resistance trend line, I waited for a coil or a continuation pattern and I entered on this bear trap. So an MA20 bear trap siya, no, basically. So if gagamitan natin siya ng indicators, so this is the MA20, itong green line. Nung nag-cross below and recover above, that was my entry point in INTR. So ano siya, financial name, major bank. Although hindi ko pa masyado na research yung true fundamentals niya, no, but based on the chart itself, it has potential itong INTR. So another stock in focus for me is etong ball. So may position ako dito sa ball. Another name na transitioning to a markup phase. Actually, nag-breakout na siya and nag-breakout na siya dito sa accumulation base. So this is a classic Wyckoff accumulation in which nag-create siya ng base since November 2022 or mid 2022. So halos 1 year base siya, no, or more than a year siya nag-base and nag-accumulate, and right now transitioning to a markup phase. So in terms of catalyst, etong ball may acquisition play ito ata or something like an aerospace acquisition play. So yung isang yung isa niyang proponent or isa niyang business arm na related to aerospace is naibenta na at 5.6B US. So right now gapping up 62.51, 0.42 points versus the previous market close. So halos 0.68% up. So ayun, as stocks in focus, ito SMCI talaga, NVDA for this coming days. So that's our pre-market prep. Yun nga, if long only trader ka, stay on the sidelines. If you're a momentum trader, you can trade the downside momentum or follow through momentum today, possibly. So let's see. So yun na muna for now. Ingat kayo and goodbye.